Exercise 3E. In the second bit, first problem. Find the equations of straight lines passing through the point and making an angle theta with the lines x minus 2y equal to 10 such that tan theta equal to 2. This is a point that is minus 10 comma 4. The two lines passing through the A point and these two lines making angle theta with the line, that line is x minus 2y equal to 10. That angle is theta. The two lines making an angle theta with the line x minus 2y equal to 10 such that tan theta equal to 2. They have given the tan theta value. Here for this, tan theta equal to 2. Here, this is a line equation. For this line, the slope of line is m1 equal to minus a by b. Here m1 equal to minus a by b, that is minus 1 by minus 2. That is equal to 1 by 2. A is a point that is minus 10 comma 4. And we can find out the two line equations, line 1 and line 2. Okay, these two lines are passing through the point minus 10 comma 4. Then we should find out the slope of these two lines. Then the slope is substitute in the slope point form of the line equation. We are getting the two equations. First of all, what they have given? Given that the point, let it be capital A equal to minus 10 comma 4 and the line L is x minus 2y minus 10 equal to 0 and tan theta equal to 2. Okay, this is equal to m1. The slope of the line x minus 2y minus 10 equal to 0 is m equal to, or m1 equal to minus a by b, that is equal to minus 1 by minus 2. Minus minus get cancelled, it is 1 by 2. Here we are taking this is tan theta is equal to 2 only. Okay, here that tan theta, that angle is theta making with the two lines and the given line. Then for this tan theta value is equal to 2. But here we are taking m1 is equal to 1 by 2 and we know that the two slopes of the angle form. Let theta be the angle between the two straight lines with the slopes m1 and m2 is tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. That is the slopes formula. If two line slopes, that is nothing but here m1 and m2 are two slopes, then the angle is, here we are taking the m1 is the slope of this line, m2 is the slope of the another line, and the angle theta is in between of the two lines. We know that from the given problem, find the equation of straight lines passing through the point A and making angle theta with the given line. So the tan theta equal to 2. From the two slopes, we have the formula tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Here we know that the straight line, given straight line slope is, let it be m1, that is 1 by 2, and the making angle theta with the line, that line slope, let it be m2. So the line passing through the line passing through point A minus 10 comma 4 and the slope m2 equal to m is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here x1 is minus 10, y1 is 4. We can substitute here. Let it be equation 1. We know the one slope is 1 by 2, another slope is m, and we have the relation tan theta equal to 2. Here, since tan theta equal to 2 and tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. From this, we can write where m1 is equal to 1 by 2 and m2 equal to m. Substitute these values in this relation. Tan theta is 2 equal to modulus of m1 is 1 by 2, m2 is m by 1 plus 1 by 2 into m. From this, taking LCM, 2 equal to modulus 2, 1 minus 2m by 2 is the LCM, 2 plus m. 2 get cancelled. Elimination of the modulus, then that becomes 1 minus 2m by 2 plus m equal to plus or minus 2. By the cross multiplication, 1 minus 2m equal to plus or minus 2 into 2 plus m. Here, taking one relation, 1 minus 2m equal to 2 into 2 plus m, or 1 minus 2m equal to minus 2 into 2 plus m. Here 1 minus 2m equal to, by the distributive, 4 plus 2m. Taking one side m values, another one is constant. 1 minus 4 equal to 2m plus 2m. Here minus 3 equal to 4m. M equal to minus 3 by 4. Here one more relation is 1 minus 2m equal to minus 4 minus 2m. Here taking to another side, 1 plus 4 equal to 2m plus 2m minus 2m. Here 5 equal to 0m. Okay, m equal to 5 by 0. So here we have the only one relation, that is m equal to minus 3 by 4. That m equal to minus 3 by 4, case 1. M equal to minus 3 by 4, substitute in slope point form. The slope point form equation is y minus 4 equal to minus 3 by 4 into x plus 10. By the cross multiplication, 4 into y minus 4 equal to minus 3 into x plus 10. By the distribution, 4y minus 4 4s are 16 equal to minus 3x minus 30. These are taking to left side, 3x plus 30 plus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y plus 14 equal to 0. This is the case 1. And case 2 is m equal to 5 by 0, substitute. Here y minus 4 equal to m is 5 by 0 into x plus 10. Here 0 into 5 minus 4 equal to 5 into x plus 10. 5 into x plus 10 equal to 0. From this, x plus 10 equal to 0. So, the straight lines are, the required straight lines are 3x plus 4y plus 14 equal to 0 and x plus 10 equal to 0.